Alberta Bike Swap is a volunteer-driven non-profit organization established in 2011 by Chris and Laura Grant, who believe that cycling is integral to healthy living and that quality bicycles should be accessible to all. Since then, hundreds of bikes have been swapped, reducing loads on landfills, improving air quality, and contributing to healthier living. The one-day swaps in 4 cities were attended by 8,000 people in 2013, and over 20,000 are expected this year. The swaps provide a safe environment to sell or purchase a used bike, which may have been destined for our landfill. They bring the cycling community together to create excitement about cycling as a healthy and fun transportation and exercise option. All bikes are verified as not stolen and are in good working condition. Half the proceeds from the swaps go back to the community to promote safe cycling and to fund other nonprofits, and half goes to fund the next swap. As well, every year over 100 bikes are donated to local nonprofits for repurposing. Alberta Bike Swap brings a community of cycling enthusiasts together to promote an active lifestyle and a way to reuse and recycle in a fun and economical way.